Temu, Temu, Temu. We love Temu. If this is any indicator on how this engine build is gonna go, we've got a lot of work ahead of us. We spent $534.39 on Temu for all of these tools that you see here that we need to remove the engine from the Audi TT. Now, we bought these because I don't have these tools. While we have a lot of the hand tools and power tools, these are specific to be able to remove engines, like an engine crane, triple square impact bits for the axles, piston ring compressors, bore gauges to check the cylinder walls, and all of these other little tools we need to make sure we can fully build this engine. So follow us, we're gonna start getting this engine torn apart and using Temu. Ooh, yeah. Definitely with the weight of the engine, it gives it a little bit of curve. All right, we have all 4 wheel dollies installed in the car. So you can see when we pushed it back, this thing is just hemorrhaging oil. So it's begging for an oil change. But for now, this is the first step. Now let's pretend like we needed to move the car. And I'm gonna see how easy it is to push with these dollies. Ugh. Okay. Harder than I thought it would be. Is there a wheel locked? She's a little bit sideways. Now, I don't know if that's because it's not tight. I thought it was tight. Or I can't tell, maybe it's just they're cheap from Temu. This, as soon as the wheels went sideways like that, it just like squatted and bent the stems of these casters, and what a piece of junk. Even the bearings are they're bulging out and falling on the ground from this amazing Temu product. So $85 down the drain, and we are 0% closer to pulling the engine tonight. And it's time to move on to the next part. Oh, look at these, look, bearings everywhere, bearings. Next part, a $10.49 pack of orange diamond textured nitrile gloves. Oh, they're tight. They are tight. They fit well. I would say they fit very tight for a medium. So I don't know if this is a Chinese medium or for US market medium, but this is significantly tighter. I mean, you can even see on my palm where it's stretching out, the diamonds are like getting lighter in color and completely flattening out from how much my hand is stretching the texture. So that is where I feel a lot of the tightness, but it didn't break when I put it on. Let's try another one. Sometimes you get these gloves and you put them on your hands and they just immediately explode. So let's see. Okay, no, I mean, they feel good. So let's get them on the car, turn some tools, and we'll see if they hold up. It's too big. Got the exhaust removed, I got the drive shafts out, and I got the axle shafts out. And I'm still on the same pair of gloves that I had from the very beginning. I've been wrenching for maybe 2 hours now. No tears, good grip. I mean, they're still a little bit tight, but overall, I would say these are a thumbs up from Temu. Up next is a $161 Temu engine crane, because that's where we're at in this project. The engine's ready to come out. I can already tell, I hear parts rattling that have escaped the cardboard and are floating behind this potato sack skin that it has. So let's get it open and see what we got. The run of the mill, like everything looks questionable welds here.
What's up, 50-50 Fab?
Oh,
I'm his son.
That's right.
Let's go a little faster.
The next thing you need to do is
That turn was just perfect.
All right, got the transmission separated. Now let's get the engine back on the crane. And the last thing we need to build is our Temu engine stand and see if it works.
Keep moving, there ain't no looking back. Choose your weapon, slay 'em with no regret. God decided your story is far from over bet. Shady cats will try to move you back to the shack. You planted a seed in a wait for a tree.
Definitely not all the wheels are touching on the ground at any one time, but I do also kind of blame that on my concrete not being perfectly level. So that center wheel is definitely higher than the other one, so I think I'm gonna raise these front wheels up a little bit and see if that helps out. That connection, all right, there you can see right here, it's dipping down quite significantly. It's bending it up. Really, it has to do with the fit of that tube. Right in there, there's a lot of gap. It could have been sized a little bit better. Let's see if this will hold the weight. Okay. Well, I feel comfortable with that. I don't love it. This design is pretty awful, and honestly, this engine stand, I would never buy it again. Look at that gap already here. It's already separating here. This is bending. This part of it right here is very cheap. We need a bigger gusset. This needs to be thicker wall. That needs to be a better fit. And this is just not even close to being a flush fit against that back tube. $85 down the drain.